So my fifth credit card with American Express just arrived, and I'm already halfway through the sign-up bonus. Today I want to talk about the 3 reasons why I applied for the Hilton Honors Business Card, and the one thing I would not be using it for is a commercial photographer. Also, technically, this is my eighth card with American Express, but yeah, that's a story for a different day because I don't have those cards anymore. Yeah, whatever. Let's do this. One of the biggest factors in determining when to sign up for a new credit card is knowing you can hit that sign up bonus. Because, like, if not, just don't freaking do it, dude. You're leaving so much value on the table. Wait till you're ready. Thankfully, I knew I could easily hit the 3K in required spend on this one production I'm flying out for in a couple of days. There's travel across country involved, so I got a train to JFK, flights, more on the flights in a bit, rental cars, craft services. We're shooting in studio for 2 days, so studio and rental gear. So by next Friday, I will have far surpassed the 3K required spend and I'll have hit my sign-up bonus. I guess I should introduce myself because this is my first official credit card style video. My name is Jeff Newton. I'm the father of two crazy cool little kids. I've got a hot wife who's rocking out at Yale as an associate professor. And yes, I've been a commercial director and photographer for well over 20 years. And I love the freelance life, but it is not always freaking easy. And it's only been in the past, I'd say 3 years or so that I've rebuilt my credit, paid off our debt, and we bought our first home. And let's make some coffee and talk about reason number 2. Reason number 2, simplified version, don't touch my credit report right now. And since I'm an amex customer, I knew that applying for this card would only require a soft pull. That's especially important to me right now because my wife and I are considering getting a second vehicle. We had 2 vehicles previously when we lived in Los Angeles, but moving across the country and shipping vehicles is freaking expensive. So we sold her car, was cool for a while, but now with the kids and after school activities, just life, it's becoming a little too hard. So we're considering it. And with how we did when we bought this home, I was very diligent about not allowing anyone to pull my credit for a while to have a good history. Doing the same thing right now. And the nice thing is, since this is a business card, it won't even show up on my personal report. All right, this coffee's about to be done. Let's let this finish and then we'll head outside, drink some coffee and talk about reason number 3, why I got the Hilton Honors business card. Okay, got my coffee in my backyard, leaves falling all around. I don't want to rake, so I'm just gonna ignore them. But let's talk about reason number 3, why I got the Hilton Honors business card. Maybe a bit more case specific, and it is sort of a dual purpose long-term play, but anytime that I'm on the road for productions, I'm always booking my hotels with my Blue Business Plus or my Ink Business Unlimited. Both freaking great business cards with amazing transfer partners. But now, anytime that I'm staying at a Hilton property while on production, not only am I getting a tax write-off, but I'm gonna be getting 12x points per dollar spent, which is amazing. And then in the long-term play, thinking about potentially getting the personal Hilton card and then having my wife, player 2, get one as well. And with how crazy expensive groceries are to feed a family of 4 and just daily household items, we could easily hit the sign-up bonuses for those. And between all that, have well over 500,000 points and take the family on a nice little getaway or something. So yeah, I'm excited to get this added to my roster of cards, and I think it's gonna be a great addition. But there is still one thing, especially for this production and any other future business production that I'm working on, that I will not be using this card for. Okay, I moved over here. My kids are about to get home from school and their bus arrives right over there, so I'm gonna make this really quick, but I did say there was one thing that I will not be using this card for on this upcoming production or in the foreseeable future, and that's booking my flights. Nothing against this card, it's cool. It's great for elevated points on hotels or even some other really nice business spend, but it's not a travel card. It does not have good travel protections. For that, I use a travel specific card that has a ton of protections. I'll talk more on that in another video because I do think that's so important for us as creative professionals and freelancers and content creators to protect ourselves when we are traveling for work. It's so imperative that we get to our gig. And so, yeah, I'll say that for another time. But hopefully you dug these 3 reasons and the one reason why not. But I'm excited to add this to my crazy roster of cards. And yeah, hopefully you dug this. More to come. Thanks for your time.